Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to be doing a really quick review on the Saint Laurent Quilted Monogram Cardholder that I purchased last year on Farfetch Canada. So originally I purchased the toy Lulu from them as well, and I just wanted a matching set, so my wallet or card holder to match my purse. The purse has been working out great, really great wear and tear and quality. But this is why I was prompted to make this video, because I want to be really authentic that not all luxury goods are made equal. There could be some different like wear and tear, and just some like things to look out for if you are purchasing more luxury goods in the future. I just want like a really honest review and show you guys like the details of the card holder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. Obviously I've been using it for quite a few months. Box is still in really great shape. Authenticity cards. We have the cloth bag. Right, so this is the card holder. So basically it has 5 slots, so 2 on the front, 1 in the middle, and the 2 on the back. With the chevron design, I can put down below what kind of leather it is. It obviously has a gold hardware. Didn't scratch as much. I do try to keep it away from like my keys or other items that are in my bag so it doesn't get damaged or anything like that, because I noticed that it is the rubber brass that they use on the actual logo. It is very soft, so you have to treat it with utmost care. So basically I can fit about 7 cards in here, and maybe you can also put some cash or coins. One of the first things I found, it was very hard to break in. So like the wallet, so like the slots here, I really had to kind of stretch it out and not try to damage the logo in any way, or like to damage like the integrity or like the shape of the actual card holder. Very, very tight, especially these 2 end pieces. And that is what was very annoying, that to kind of break it in. I still feel like I'm breaking it in, and I purchased it in July of last year, so it's very annoying to say the least. But overall I do like the minimal aesthetic of the actual wallet. I like that it has like the sheen to it. It's not of like the softer material where it's like always like scratching or like punctured in any way, or then you have to take it in to get like fixed. So this is what I wanted to show. So on the front panel of the logo and of the front panel of the back side of the actual card holder, when you're inserting your cards, finishing like rim here, like the leather, it's actually tearing apart from the card holder, even like inside. So I'm very, very, very careful with how I use this card holder. There's no way there's any sharp areas actually jabbing the card holder. So to see like this, when pulling out the card and very carefully, and the leather is just like tearing out from the actual, to see like this patch is like really disheartening, because I paid $385 and including tax it was $446. So I definitely got my money's worth more of like my toy Lulu, and I've only been using this for a few months, and overall I wish I got what I paid for. It is a really beautiful card holder, but I might be more diligent in the future and not purchase again, or maybe seek out a different brand or check out the leather. I thought it was give me a lot more like sturdier, but yeah, very disappointed that the card holder is doing this. Overall, I do enjoy using the card holder, but I'm just very wary of how I'm inserting my cards or what is close by to, because of the seam issue. I really hope that this really short review helped you guys out in like any decisions. Maybe it's just ill-fated that I have this issue with mine. If you guys did notice some like really odd like wear and tear with your other Saint Laurent items, you can drop a comment below, because I definitely want to figure out like if it's just me, just of how I'm like using it, or just like your overall like feeling of like what you think of the brand, and like where like they're going for like their goods. So I've noticed that the price uptick in like the last 3 years, so maybe there's some sacrificing of quality over quantity, because more people are approaching the brand, because it is a little bit more affordable. Let's say like a Chanel or LV, and like their prices increase, but I still I still really do enjoy most of the Saint Laurent designs, so definitely am pretty wary when I'm using this card holder, but I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to sell it. I hope you guys enjoy the review. Tell me what you think below. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys have a good one and take care.